Have you heard about Sacred Waters Retreat? Are you a woman that knows that water heals and purifies? That it quenches our bodies and revives our spirit? Do you subscribe to the truth that water is divine and moves through us all? Then perhaps this is the retreat for you. At Sacred Waters Retreat, come hold space with women who invoke the power of water to bring women together through emotion, ritual, and connection to the divine feminine. A space of compassion, a healing space where women can feel safe and nurtured. Step into a sanctuary in nature full of exploration and fun as we unite joyfully with our ancestry through sacred ritual. Now yes, some paths are best walked alone, and some are walked in profound harmony with others. At Sacred Waters Retreat, celebrate your journey to reclaim the sacred that lies within you. So say yes to this sacred experience and be moved and flow with us like water. And remember, Sacred Waters is the woman in the mirror. Sacred Waters Retreat is you. See you there.